In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a website with Canva. Whether you're a small business owner, a creative professional, or just someone who wants to share a personal project online, Canva provides an easy-to-use platform that makes website creation a breeze. First, open Canva and type website into the search bar at the top. This will bring up a variety of pre-designed website templates that make getting started much easier than designing from scratch. Take a moment to browse through the options and find one that aligns with your vision or project needs. Once you find a template you like, click on it to see a larger display. Don't worry if there are minor elements you're not in love with. You'll be able to customize everything shortly. Next, click Customize this template. This opens the template in Canva's editor, giving you full creative control. Start by editing the text. Click on any text area to open a text box and make your changes. Adjust the wording to suit your needs, whether it's a brand tagline, product description, or personal introduction. Make it truly represent you. Next, focus on images. They're essential for visual appeal and context. You can replace template images by dragging and dropping new ones. If you have images on your device, drag them into Canva and click Upload. Your images will appear in the Upload library on the left side of the screen. Once uploaded, drag your new images onto the template to replace existing ones. Canva makes this process easy, allowing you to position your images exactly where you want them. And that's it, a fully customized website created with Canva. The platform lets you experiment and make changes as many times as you like until everything looks perfect. Enjoy building your site, and thanks for watching.